consider acquiring, and you will be immersed with a wide range of revulsions and mystery of security and reimbursement modules combined with weighty financing costs that you will evade considering getting in government-issued types of money. However, presently you have an answer without a doubt. The advanced resource world is here to moderate your stresses over acquiring and loaning. The decentralized money, DeFi, convention isn't simply planned on blockchain calculations to figure out information-related openness and marking obstacles yet in addition to address your frightening worries connected with acquiring and loaning. One such arrangement is given by Aave, a DeFi stage that empowers individuals to exchange computerized resources as well as gives choices to loan and get crypto. Like government-issued types of money, loan specialists of digital currencies additionally get revenue, and borrowers pay revenue on cryptographic forms of money too. The framework goes through no adjustment of system versus government-issued types of money. As per Aave cost forecast, Aave has made the whole framework somewhat simple and conceivable to an average person putting his cash-related stresses very still. The Aave benefit. Computerized resource holders benefit all benefits of getting and loaning since the local symbolic Aave gives a markdown to the individual dealing with the crypto on the stage. Like different monetary standards, Aave also is administered by market feelings and merchants' effective financial planning designs. The symbolic advantages to financial backers are gigantic, and Aave is focused on acquiring financial backers' trust with a plenty of highlights draw an ever-increasing number of dealers too as time passes. Aave likewise offers fixed and variable financing costs and permits clients to exchange their preferred cash. Aave, the street ahead. What's in store is very brilliant for Aave as the corporate has imagined a charitable vision for Aave. With a plenty of developments prepared, the market bent has generally certain signs for Aave. In any case, specialists have shown long-haul crypto forecasts as exceptionally high that urge financial backers and merchants to feel free to put resources into this digital money in a light market with certainty. Wiping out the intricacies of the decentralized environment, Aave has been made with the sole goal of a multi-utilitarian and multi-purpose benefit in varying backgrounds. Aave, verifiable investigation. The brain science of clients assumes a urgent part in the crypto market feeling. Costs are extremely delicate to the group's psychological methodology towards giving a push to any crypto token. Aave, also is no special case. The latency that at first played for Aave last year is no more there as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers and dealers. The downswing that played for Aave in 2020 dissipated in the scenery of its mechanical arrangements. A much of the time and definitely noticed characteristic of Aave is that it has shown the most sporadic and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with descending bear nailing down development. In light of our conjectures, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $7.379. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 732.86%. Aave cost is set to record a decent pinnacle of $189.480, a base cost of $128.847 before the year's over 2022, which it makes certain to scale. The greatest milestone triumph for Aave cost is that it would cross $1,200. And it will be worth to wager on Aave in 2022 according to our conjecture. The next few years will show up as a smooth time for Aave. As per our Aave cost expectation 2022, the cost could exchange around $198.52 before the current year's over. As indicated by our cost expectations, Aave cost could exchange around $907.8839224658 toward the finish of 2022 and $5,274.252 toward the finish of 2026. The value forecasts of different specialists don't stop the coin from beating the opponent coins using any and all means. Aave People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, in any case. Aave will outperform the assumptions for all digital money financial backers who have found this stage incredibly intuitive and simple. The ongoing cost of Aave waits around $146.32 with a market capitalization of $1,952,817,652.22 with an exchanging volume of $305,349,990.34. The best tips to put resources into Aave will be to purchase on plunges, as at present, Aave is at the pinnacle. Despite the fact that there could be deceiving treat for us as far as Aave, similar to some other digital currency, it is insightful to sit tight for one more round of a bullish push. Despite the fact that other major crypto monsters appear to be getting virtual entertainment publicity, Aave will for sure consistently show a positive example, continually rising, and the impending years will be one of the most mind-blowing times of Aave with value expectations of at least $1,200 without a doubt. Aave Value Expectation 2022. With associations and collusions and local area subsidizing, the market glances back at Aave to perform, arriving at a typical degree of $181.15, which is very hopeful yet doubtlessly achievable. Aave Value Expectation 2023. With any progressions in government arrangements and guidelines, Aave costs may too have its portion of dim days. Aave cost ought to cruise serenely at $249.73 or max do homage $224.67, making it not plunge yet play predictable. Aave Value Forecast 2024. Aave cost pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful development way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for partnerships. New organizations would carry Aave convention to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital currency taking Aave cost around $241.23. Aave Value Forecast 2025. All the while, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for digital currencies that are opponents of Aave. The value skyline is really splendid for Aave. It doesn't exclusively count on decentralization. As per our cost expectations, Aave could exchange around the $335.63 mark toward the finish of 2025. Aave Value Forecast 2026. Having seen a gigantic DApp reception somewhat recently that drove the cost of Aave. From the very start of 2026, Aave has checked enormous development. In the beginning of 2026, it could cross the $303.98 cost mark, however later confronted amendment and keep on exchanging around $275.96.